Hi my sweet friends, it's Christa with artisticvegan.com. Welcome back to another Artistic Vegan cooking show where today we are featuring a vegetarian flatbread sandwich with all these delicious vegetables. I can't wait to show you how to make it. Shout out to my mom, Johanna Larson, who mentioned, what about a flatbread sandwich that's gluten-free? And great idea. And yesterday we had the flatbread veggie sandwich and it was so good. If you watch me on Instagram, you might have seen it in my story or on my feed. Anyways, I had to make it for you guys here because it's that good. So let's get into how to make this delicious sandwich. First, you're gonna need some vegetables. You can use your favorite. What I'm featuring today is some zucchini and then some mushrooms and onion and little red bell pepper, as well as some cucumber and lettuce and sprouts and some tomatoes, and that's about it. So that's everything that you want. And then you'll also want your favorite dressing or sauce. I'm gonna use my tahini lime and Dijon mustard. So those are the two sauces that you want. And then just some salt and pepper and maybe a little soy sauce for the mushrooms and a little paprika, maybe even chili powder if you please. So that's everything that you will need. I even got a little lemon juice here in case I need it along the way. And that's it. And then you'll also want, of course, your flatbread. I have featured that on the channel recently. It's my gluten-free flatbread recipe. I highly recommend it. It's really delicious. And the beautiful thing is you can make them as big or as small as you want, depending on how big you want your sandwich, if you want small ones or really large ones. So without further ado, let's chop our vegetables and get into how to make this delicious sandwich. First, I'm gonna start with my fresh zucchini. I just went to town today, so it's so fresh and beautiful. And now, I'm just gonna take the edge off and cut them into strips, just like we did in the zucchini in the last episode if you're a follower. A little bit of salt and a pinch of pepper. Add a little bit of olive oil to your favorite grill pan, as well as the zucchini, and allow it to cook until each side has the nice grill marks. Then you'll want to remove any excess moisture and set them aside. From there, you can start slicing your mushrooms, as well as your red bell pepper and some red onion. Then in a cast iron skillet, add a little bit of olive oil with your red onion and a pinch of salt. Cook it on a low flame until it has a chance to caramelize. Then you can add your red bell pepper to your grill pan, cooking it until it has charred marks on the outside of the skin and it looks nice and blistered and black and delicious. Then you can add your mushrooms with a little bit of pinch of salt, black pepper, paprika, chili powder, and soy sauce to the same pan the onions cooked in. And put a nice tight-fitting lid on top and allow it to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes and they'll become really, quote-unquote, really yummy. And then you'll be left with this huge plate of delicious ingredients of both grilled and fresh vegetables. You can use your favorite flatbread, put a little Dijon mustard on top of it. I used some tahini lime dressing. You can use your favorite. The grilled zucchini, and you'll only want to put it on 1/2. The yummy, delicious mushrooms, some grilled bell peppers, the caramelized onions, creamy avocado, a pinch of salt to bring out the flavor, some crunchy cucumbers, a tiny more dressing, some lettuce, tomato, and fresh sprouts. And if you want a little tiny more dressing, I kind of went a little wild on that. And then you can close it or you can slice it and put the top on. So here we go. You can make it as big or as small as you want. I made a really big one and I'm gonna share it with Gerald since it is so large. And it just looks absolutely fantastic. Layers of grilled vegetables with fresh vegetables and some yummy sauces on homemade gluten-free bread. Can't get much better than that, can it? So I guess I'll just slice into this. Look at that. How good does that look? Mmm, delicious. Mmm. Mmm. That's where it's at, my friend. That is so delicious. You can really taste, I love these bell peppers with the charred ends and the zucchini and with the fresh crispy vegetables in there and the creamy avocado and then the delicious tahini lime dressing. It is fantastic and really flavorful. My mouth is watering. I can't wait to finish it. I'm gonna go share with Gerald. You can get this recipe at artisticvegan.com. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more, and be sure to hit that notification bell so you know when I come out with a new one. And I'll see you next time. Bye, my friends.
Kabam!
Thanks to your instincts, we found the Starfire Gold. 6 drops in your morning coffee, Big G, and you can carry me back to the base camp. I have some bananas for you there. Products are available at our online stores, straight to you from The Alchemist at artisticvegan.com and geraldclark77.com.